Good morning guys and welcome here to a new video on my channel. So if you saw yesterday's video on MCee's channel, we're right now here on a desert camp, or better on a farm here in a desert. And our plan for today is that we're starting our day with a sunrise and a yoga session. So it is right now 5 a.m. 45 and we're a little bit tired, but we're starting, as I already said, our yoga session. And yoga is a group of physical, mental and spiritual practices or disciplines which originated in the ancient India. It is one of the 6 orthodox schools of Hindu philosophical traditions, and there is a broad variety of yoga schools, practices and goals in Hinduism, Buddhism and Jainism. The ultimate goal of yoga is moksha, the liberation, although the exact definition of what form this takes depends on the physiological or the theological system which is conjugated. Yoga has 5 different goals. Yoga as a disciplined method for attaining a goal, yoga as techniques of controlling the body and the mind, yoga as the name of one of the schools or systems of philosophy, the dasana, yoga in connection with other words such as hatha, mantra or laya, referring to traditions specializing in particular techniques of yoga, and yoga as a goal of yoga practice. Alright, so we're just shutting the door. And if you saw yesterday's video on MCee's channel, she showed us around here in the hotel, and we are doing the yoga session right here. So let's start.
So I think they're already beginning there at the back. Hey Jude, look, they're already beginning.
Yes, they're already beginning. Morning, good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. Good.
It's starting to turn off blind. Do you still let it size? Or has our time just come and passed us by? I wanna know how you feel about this love. I wanna know. I wanna know how you feel about this love.
So after our yoga experience, we are now really relaxed and now our day can start.
It's starting to turn off blind.
Alright, so our first stop is here at the lake, which was used for drinking water. As you can see, we have here many buildings in the water. It's looking pretty awesome. And now we're continuing our way to the Jaisalmer Fort, which we're going to visit next. So we're here in Jaisalmer, and also other cities like Jodhpur and Udaipur are laying at the border of Pakistan, so there are a lot of military people around here at this place.
Do you still let it size? Or has our time just come and passed us by? I wanna know how you feel about this love. I wanna know.
So we are here at our next stop, the Jaisalmer Fort, as you can see, and we are going to visit it right now. At the heart of the old city is Jaisalmer Fort, or the Sodakore, the Golden Fort, as it's also known, set on the top of the slope-rided Trikuta, the highest rock hill in the vast surrounding plain marooned amid an undulating sea of orchy sand. The royal place stands at the highest point of the fort and is contained with double ramparts almost 100 meters above the marketplace. There are a lot of gates, and also the fort gives a spectacular view in the surroundings here of Jaisalmer. There are so big walls, you can see the yellow sandstone all around here. The walls are so big so nobody can easily climb on the fort, and it's looking very impressive. So let's enter inside and enjoy the marvelous view. So as you can see, here are many gates. Here is the Ganesh Pray. It's one of the famous gates here. You can see behind me the filigree barred windows where the women in earlier times could watch here on this place. So they couldn't be seen here from this place, but they could watch live from the windows down.
So earlier it was a custom that when the husband died, the woman was burned at a stake, and these are the handprints of the women before they died.
Now we are continuing our way here through the old streets of the Jaisalmer Fort. So right behind me you can see a very famous painting of the god Ganesha, and under it you can see the names of the husband and the woman. So they are inscripted right here in the wall. And behind me you can see a peacock with its peacock feathers, and it's looking very beautiful. Wow, a painted house in pink, just looking awesome. So in Jaisalmer Fort there is also a Hindu temple which we are going to visit right now. Our last point here in Jaisalmer before we are doing a desert tour is that we're walking now through a typical Indian bazaar.
Hier wieder meine Reisefreunde.
after visiting the city of Jaisalmer, we're going now in a restaurant and having some lunch. So yesterday we explained in MCee's vlog that we aren't sleeping in a tent because we had the rooms in the little houses directly behind the tents, and because the hotel is really full with other people, we decided to go in a tent, and the tent is actually pretty cool. We just put our luggage in it, and right now we will show you. As you can see right here, we can go inside. We even have a fence. It's pretty cool in here. There we have our bed. You can see the roof is just a tent. It's pretty awesome. And we have right here our fan, and if we go into our bathroom, it's actually pretty nice. It's made out of stone, and the rooftop is even a tent, and tonight we are going to sleep here. So in MCee's vlog tomorrow, you will see how we slept, and she will definitely explain you how it was. Alright, so we are now in the hotel, and as you can see, we changed here for the desert because we are going now in the desert. We are riding a camel through the dunes, and after that we are driving with the jeeps to a place where we are going to barbecue in the evening, so we will see the sunset and enjoy the evening. We've also got many bottles of water with us. We've got one bottle and also a second bottle, so we won't get dehydrated at all. Alright guys, so we are ready to go now, so let's start. So as I may already said, we're in the Thar Desert right now, and it is also known as the Great Indian Desert, and it is a large arid region in the northwestern part of the Indian subcontinent that covers an area of 200,000 square kilometers and forms a natural boundary between India and Pakistan. It is the world's 17th largest desert and the world's 9th largest subtropical desert. So now we leave the road and we're going off-piste through the sand. We saw some animals, pretty awesome, so we have here our big camera with us, so we will see everything. In the region are some wildlife species, which are fast vanishing in other parts of India, are found in the desert in large numbers, such as the black bog, an antelope, a chinkara, a gazelle, and Indian wild ass, a goose, in the Rann of Kutch. They have evolved excellent survival strategies. Their size is smaller than other similar animals, living in different conditions, and they are mainly nocturnal. There are certain other factors responsible for the survival of these animals in the desert. Due to the lack of water in this region, transformation of the grasslands into cropland has been very slow. The protection provided to them by a local community, the Bishnoi, is also a factor. In the next days we're also going to visit a Bishnoi village, so stay tuned for that. Other mammals of the Thar Desert include a subspecies of red fox and the carousel. Alright guys, so we just arrived here, and as you can see, here are the camels. So we are doing now a camel ride, so let's go. So we choose now a camel. This one we will take. It's looking pretty sweet. So, hello. Oh, it isn't looking at us, but alright. So we are going now on the camel and starting the ride. Let's go. Oops, wow.
You have to press it. Okay. And then there's a red sign on the top.
Wow guys, that is so high. As you can see, there is the ground. It's maybe 2 or 3 meters. There are the jeeps. It's so high. Pretty awesome. So let's go. So right there are the sand dunes, and that's where we're going now with the camel. Hello camel.
Hey, it is literally so cool to sit on here. Like, this feeling is just awesome.
The rest of our caravan is right there. So come on camel, we want to start. We don't want to be the last. Okay. Just looking around. Wow, the camel is running.
We're having some speed, guys. It's like on a horse.
Yeah.
You gotta go up and down.
Pretty awesome. They are running for us. So, oh yeah, we catch the caravan. Go. as you can see. Right there, the sun is going down, and the panorama is just awesome. That was an absolutely awesome camel tour. So this camel is named Babilou, so very sweet name, and thank you again for the camera.
Best guide.
So the jeeps are already waiting for us, so let's go. Alright, so it's getting dark and we're driving now to our barbecue. Alright guys, so we just arrived here at our barbecue place. As you can see, here are our jeeps, and we arrived here now on a sand dune. It's literally in the nowhere, and we have a little band here with Indian musicians. Pretty awesome. And now we're going to have a real barbecue, so let's taste it. Wow, look at the tables. We have some kind of futon beds here, and we are going to sit here on the view with the look down to the musicians, and we are going to eat right here. Look here. We are like in a plain nature, so there is literally nothing around us, and it's kind of in Africa, but we're here in India. It's just absolutely amazing. Just trying out here the seats. Oh, they're so comfortable.
We have a perfect view also.
Just awesome. You can't see really good on the camera, but it's just looking awesome.
It is really incredible. Awesome.
Wow guys, what was that for a day? We had so many incredible experiences. First of all, our jeep drive, after that our ride with the camels, and next the barbecue in the dunes. What was that for a day? Just awesome. So if you liked this video from today, make sure to give this video a thumb up. You also leave me some comments down below, and you don't forget to subscribe to MCee's and to my channel. So I'll see you tomorrow in the next vlog on MCee's channel, where we are going to drive to Jodhpur and where we are going to visit a fort and much more. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
How'd you get so far?